Hi dear friend, nice to meet you. Today, please allow me to introduce our crimping machine. This is our type of DSG250. Please look at its beautiful appearance. Now today I want to specially introduce our electric box. Now let me open the box. Please see the box. This is the inside. This is the transformer. This three part is relay. Please look at the two rod. This two rod is fuse, and this one is air switch. Usually, please don't touch this part. Look at this wire. If your voltage is 220, please connect your wire A and C. If your voltage is 380, please connect your wire as A, B, C. This is our electric box. Thank you. At last, I want to introduce our high box. I will introduce you this box. This high box is our main part of this machine. First, please look at the biggest box. This blue one is oil tank. You can pull the hydraulic oil from this hole. The red spot, the hot oil arrives the red spot, then it's okay. This one is the motor. The motor could at 220 or 380 or 110 volts. This one is the valve. When the die compound, this light will come on. When the die open, this light will come on. In the behind, this one is oil the press valve. This is our foot pedal. When your hand with hose and fitting, and you have no hand to operation this button, please use our foot pedal. The red one is die open. The black one is die closed.